So now centripetal action of point P equal to omega square direct towards pt. So x component of this acceleration is given by fx, or which is equal to d2x by dt square, or equals to minus omega square a sine angle tpq. This angle tpq, and so this angle fx will be minus omega square a sine omega t plus phi. Negative sign is shows that the acceleration is directed towards center O. Now when the point Q when the point Q passes through equilibrium position, that is at O, the angle omega t phi is 0 and the acceleration is therefore 0 at this position. Next is our topic is parabolic potential well. So consider an oscillating particle moving back and forth about an equilibrium position through a parabolic potential given by ux equal to 1 by 2 kx square. This is the parabolic potential, and particle is oscillating back and forth about this point O, and k is a constant, and we know that the potential energy is a function of position whose negative derivative gives the force. So we have force Fx equal to minus du by dx, that is negative derivative of potential energy, or minus by d by dx half kx square, or equals to minus kx. So Fx proportional to minus x. This shows that the force is proportional to the displacement and is directed opposite to the displacement, and so motion is simple harmonic, SHM, simple harmonic motion. Now exact SHM are rare, that is exact simple harmonic motions are rare. So let's discuss this. The simple harmonic motion is characterized by the linear relationship between the restoring force and the displacement, and in actual system this relationship is not exactly linear, and so the system can be treated as a simple harmonic oscillation within some certain limit. For example, consider the motion of a simple pendulum, and it is a simple harmonic motion in the limit of vanishingly a small angle of oscillation. Similarly, the motion of a man on a spring is simple harmonic in the limit of vanishingly a small amplitude of oscillation. So in practice, such limitation conditions are rarely realized. Hence, the exactly simple harmonic motions are rare. Now, a symmetric motion of a small amplitude, that is non-simple harmonic motion. In simple harmonic motion, the amplitudes are equal on both sides of the equilibrium position. When this is not the case, the motion is not simple harmonic motion. However, a small